Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enhance old photos using Remini. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to enhance old photos using Remini, all you gotta do is simply go to Remini. Once you're in the official website of Remini, you can simply tap it on, and now you need to simply accept all cookies and tap on try Remini. Once you have done this, you can simply install the app you are directed to, and once you have installed the app as well, so once your app has been installed, you can simply tap on get started, and once you have started it, you need to now upload an image. Once you have simply tapped on restore all old images and uploaded a image, you can simply select the enhance feature. So once you've selected the enhance feature, you can let your AI automatically fix blurs and like increase your resolution and restore your particular photo or color in the particular photo that you have uploaded. So after you have done this, you will be able to enhance your old photos using Remini. It is highly effective for improving, sharpening, and colorizing your old, faded, or damaged portraits in seconds. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.